Next, we're going to spend some time doing a deep dive into the mechanism of the reaction and doing a mechanistic analysis of these directing group effects. So we want to see within the mechanism why a particular substituent activates or deactivates the ring. And essentially what we're looking for, if it activates, why a substituent is adding electrons to the ring versus taking electrons away from the ring. When we're thinking about the relative reactivity or the speed of a reaction, we're talking about the rate. So what we want to do is evaluate the rate determining step. So what is the rate determining step for electrophilic aromatic substitution? So the rate determining step is when we take benzene, add an electrophile to that, and break this aromaticity to form a carbocation intermediate. That's the slow step of the reaction. And then we know that eventually we'll reform the aromatic ring to give the product. So here's the starting material, the intermediate, and the product. Let's plot this on the reaction coordinate diagram. So here's our aromatic ring starting material. That's going to go over a transition state to get to the intermediate. There's our intermediate, which is the carbocation. And then this will go over another transition state to get to the product. So here is the transition state for the rate determining step. And what we're doing in this step is forming carbocation character on that carbon to get to the intermediate. So the whole key to this is going to be a more stable positive charge will be a lower energy transition state. So written out, a more stable positive will give a lower energy intermediate, and that will also lower the energy of this transition state, which equates to a faster reaction. So what stabilizes positive charges? Electron donation. So what that means is if we add an electron donating group, we can lower the energy of that transition state. But if we add an electron withdrawing group, that will further destabilize the positive charge because you're pulling electrons out of something that doesn't have enough as it is. So withdrawing groups will be a slower reaction, donating groups will give a faster reaction.